Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to again my YouTube channel, friend. So viewers, I hope you are also fine and I hope you all do good. First of all, friends, a crochet bed sheets is a beautiful and attractive bed sheet design. Bed sheet is beautifully handmade, crafted bedding piece. Features intricate lace-like crochet pattern, adding a touch of vintage charm and elegance to any bedroom made from cotton lines or blended yarn. These bed sheets are soft, breathable, and durable. A crochet bed sheet is a handcrafted bedding items often featuring intricate lace-like pattern created using the art of crochet. These sheets are typically made from materials like cotton lines or blends of, feeling a soft and breathable feel. They can showcase various designs such as floral motifs, geometric pattern or sculpt, each adding a touch of texture and elegance to a bedroom. Key characteristics of crochet bed sheets: handmade crafts. Sman-shaped crochet bed sheets are often handmade with intricate details and patterns that add a unique personal touch to bedding. Material option: they are commonly crafted from materials like cotton lines or blends, offering a soft and breathable feel. Designs variety: crochet bed sheets can feature a wide range of designs including floral, geometric, or scallop, allowing for customization to match different decor styles. Aesthetics appeals: the delicate and artistic nature of crochet adds a touch of elegance and vintage charm to a bedroom. Warmth and comfort, depending on the material and designs. Crochet bed sheets can provide crochet bed sheets a feature of wide range of designs including floral, geometric, or sculpted, allowing for customization to match different door style. Aesthetics appeal: the delicate and artistic nature of crochet adds of touch, elegance, and vintage charm to a bedroom. Warmth and comfort, depending on the material and designs. Crochet bed sheets can provide varying levels of warmth, making them suitable for different climates. The immensely smooth and silky sheet adorned with intricate border detailing on board sheet and pillows, case size, king size bed sheet, border white, classic, vintage crochet is finally stitched on 2000 cc cotton fabric to make bed sheets crochet, border white, truly unique and stunning, top ceiling handmade crochet bed sheets for home and room, handmade crochet bed sheets are the shop elegance for your bedroom, handmade crochet bed sheets for top quality home decor, adding a touch of handmade crochet bed sheets. Description: product details, top sheets 100% Aviation cotton per sale 2200 TC, 100% cotton or stain 300 TC, 100% cotton with embroidery on plain duvet crochet bed sheets at best price. Straightener bed sheet at best price from manufacturers, splicers, bed sheets, color all, brand name, KK size, different specialties, rich, soft feel and color fast, modern thread, soft microfiber, crochet lace sheets, luxuries, 100% microfiber scrubs. Your microfiber scrub your body with this crochet lace sheet set with a vintage and elegance appeal or microfiber crochet lace crochet Russia bed sheets designs songs Lipton home crochet bed sheet designs chic songs Clifton home first furnishing store made to measure protein sofa crochet bed sheet manufacturers features materials made from 100% soft and breathable cotton stenciled with a high rates count for ultimate sheet manufacturers from nuts or features materials made from crochet bed sheet, a new designs, new beautiful ideas, elegant Surat Aziz, design crochet bed sheets. These designer crochet bed sheets are good demand in the market due to excellent quality and durabilities. Purchase crochet bed sheet ideas, designers, bed sheets for Applet 2020. Explore 9 more Noorbirds crochet bed sheets on Pinterest. See more ideas about and new designs and new activities, spin and new ideas is crochet bed sheets and all activities. So take a space of spin and beautiful ideas is beautiful ideas and different style and new design. So legends and legends and triers designs 25 crochet bed sheets ideas designers bed sheet crochet double bed sheets handmade 2 pillows 2 rounds crochet double bed sheet handmade 2 pillows 2 rounds 5 tablecloth 5 rounds Cushion covers just 2900 full set. 100 delivery. Top trending free crochet bed sheets pattern solid color. Transform your bedroom with unique crochet bed sheet designs. New crochet bed sheet designs connected with wool. Ideas present are great.
ड्राइवर मैंने कल मामा से कुछ मांगा पता क्या ये पता नहीं मुझे कौन सा सूट पहनूं
Connected with wool, ideas present a great selection of bedsheet designs that will bring both warmth. Bedsheet. Blue embroidered bedsheet 9900 cream. Crochet bedsheet quick wave sulhaba. Fashion creams, crochet bedsheets, crochet and explore beautiful handmade crochet bedsheet designs and dye ideas to upcycle your old sheets into stunning decor. Cream sewn crochet 144 basic cotton king floral flight bedsheet flex material cotton. In cloudies numbers of bedsheets, 1 numbers of pillows, covers to 3 count, color blue, habitat cotton crochet print, bedding set single, fabric finish, fish sale 100% cotton, 144 thread count, 7-inch clouders, 1 jute cover and pillowcase, bed size, length, vintage crochet bed sheets, blanket, vintage crochet bed sheet covers, blanket, house and modern threads, 4-piece crochet lace, hemlines, microfiber designs to fit deep pocket mattress with elastic design, unique designs. Buy crochet with love online at Premier Home. Fitted sheets set navy blue, cocoa biggie floor cushions cover crochet rectangles and cushion bed sheets made with crochet bed sheets are a beautiful and particular addition to bedroom. Their interiors, designs and soft texture and a touch of elegance and comfortable from old bed sheets.
वो बिल्कुल सेम वो है इसके साथ नहीं उस वाले के साथ
Step 1, gather your material. Step 2, prepare your fabric strips for crocheting. Step 3, join the strips together. Step start to crochet your egg using how to crochet bed sheets with rose free pattern tutorial by how to crochet bed sheets with roses free pattern tutorial by Susan. Adorable crochet bed sheet designs. Explore stunning crochet bed sheets. Premium cotton bed sheets with goba and crochet lace detailing the crochet bed sheets at best price. Invest, get over. Crochet bed sheets. Posts discover videos related to crochet bed sheets on to see more videos about crochet bed sheet cover, crochet conic pot bed sheets and crochet basket from splattered bed sheets. Don't toss these misfit bed sheets. Cycles them in. Making an embroidered crochet basket that is true to be a fit in any home, easy
पता नहीं
and
क्या
fun.
करने गई है।
Colorful crochet bed sheets, crochet stripped pattern bed sheets. I love to rip up old bed sheets and make that roots. Best way to upcycle this one is pretty much popular among beginner crocheters and India. We make works from old series, pairs, crochet sheets, stunning crochet sheets set features is ruffle with crochet and later lace details pomade from high quality embedded cotton. Pre-sale for beautiful handmaids and crochet sheets signs. This information is all and may return results that are not crochet bed sheets, modern soft microfiber crochet lace sheets, luxuries microfibers bed sheets in cloudix, flat sheets, fitted sheets with deep pockets, crochet sheets and plant scenes of the sheet and the for videos. Sides of the pillows are embellished with crochet work, cut above below pillows and nature lines, bed sheets with crochet lace trim. Bed sheets are necessary and your room and you deserve the very best. The lines flat sheet with crochet lace made from rewashed lines or hand crochet bed cover will live up any space with its distance geometry.